Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Shopify Liquid for customization easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start customizing your Shopify store with Liquid, first, log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, navigate to the online store section located in the left sidebar. Click on Themes to view your current active theme. Find the theme you want to customize and click on the Actions drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Edit Code to access the theme files. In the code editor, you'll see a list of folders like Sections, Templates, and Assets. To add custom, select Sections to find files that control various parts of your store layout. Open a section file, such as header.liquid or footer.liquid, to make changes to those specific areas. To customize the appearance, you can use Liquid's templating syntax. For example, you can use shop.name to display your store's name dynamically. If you wish to add custom text or HTML, simply insert it within the Liquid tags. To incorporate conditional statements, use Liquid's if statements. For example, %if customer % can be used to display content only for logged-in users. To iterate through a collection of products, use the for loop syntax. For instance, %for product in collections.frontpage.products% allows you to loop through products on the front page. After making your changes, always remember to save the file by clicking the Save button in the top right corner. To preview your changes, navigate back to your storefront. Refresh the page to see the live updates you've made. If you encounter any issues, check the code for any syntax errors as Liquid is sensitive to formatting. Getting familiar with Liquid's objects and filters will greatly enhance your customization capabilities. Consider referring to Shopify's Liquid documentation for more detailed functions and examples. Continue experimenting with different sections and templates until you achieve the desired look for your store. With practice, you'll become more efficient at using Liquid for your Shopify customizations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.